old website. So he put the old one. Now the site you see, it's old one. It's not a new one.
Okay, got it. So can you share your screen to show your ideas and can you share?
So I'm looking for to make more easy e-commerce. So we in the new website we did some few changes. Like e-commerce was more easy, so people can order from online.
Okay.
The things are like this, and so there is a website here in Belgium. It's called Take Away. You can see it, Take Away. You can see it. It's very easy to order from there. Huh?
Okay.
So I want to do the same thing on our website. So when people come and order, so we have a printer in the, how we say, it's a online printer here. How we say, it's a Google, which printer we call it? Google Cloud Printer.
Okay, I got it. How much product on your store actually? How much product you want to sell?
I don't know. I will just check it out. It's like a 30 products.
Okay, great. 30 products, we will upload it accordingly, no problem. And so what will be your payment method, like PayPal or Stripe?
No problem. How people pay on our website? How you want me to pay you?
Okay, I'm not telling about our payment. I'm telling about the customer payment system. The viewer who will see the product, how they will pay. There's some payment option like PayPal, MasterCard, or Stripe. Do you have PayPal?
No, not online. We don't do online payments. So we have a drivers. So it's a restaurant. Have you seen our website? It's
It's
an Indian restaurant here.
It's actually cash on delivery, right?
Yes, we do a cash on delivery. Yes,
Okay.
and you can put the option on how we say Mastercard, Visa, or how we say in India, bank contact. How we say.
Okay.
People can pay with the card on the when the driver comes at the door. Huh?
Okay, I got it. So this is actually cash on delivery, and
Yes.
so is there any shipment charge or tax?
No, nothing. But there are shipment charges. So for the right now on our website, I'm looking at it. It's we still have an old version of things.
Okay.
So they are still working. So I have a page of WooCommerce. How we say e-commerce? WooCommerce, huh? We call it.
Actually, when the site is done by WordPress, it's called WooCommerce.
Yes, WooCommerce. It's WooCommerce.
It's also WordPress.
Okay, so you want to redesign the whole website, right? So we will choose a new theme and upload the product newly. Do you have any backup site? How we will, already your site is live, so how we will manage it? So do you want us to make the website at our domain, and after finalization I will delete the old website and upload the new one, like that?
So I will tell you again, but I don't know much about these things. So if we have old domain, we have to delete it, make it new one, or we can keep it with this one.
You cannot keep both website at a time in a single domain, but we can create a subdomain, like your website is domain.com, then test.domain.com, this is a subdomain. Then we can complete the site at subdomain, and after finalization we will delete the old website and upload to the new website. It can be done.
Okay, we can do this way, no problem.
Or if you have not much order on your site, then we can create freshly at your domain.
Okay, so we changed the old to new one because the guy in India, he was telling me, so there are new changes done by WooCommerce. We cannot, how we say, he cannot make changes in the old website.
Okay.
So because of that, he made a new one.
Okay,
is it true, or was just telling
there
me
are
like?
Exactly, it's true. Lots of features are on WooCommerce, like you can track your order. You can send automatic email when the order done. You can send the invoice automatically by MailChimp, and you can take the refund request via mail. And there are lots of functionality like Facebook Pixel, and the marketing system also updated on WooCommerce. That's why actually we should go for WooCommerce. And you will get lots of design on theme. We can show you some demos. Already we showed some demo, and you can make same to same sites by uploading the demo. It will take less time for you. Kader, I'm not hearing you. I think you are muted. Okay,
Now
now
it's okay, huh?
that's okay.
So I'm telling you, people are used to our website, huh?
Exactly.
So if you make big changes, people will, how we say, they will get lost, huh?
Exactly.
So if we make a new one, it should be similar to the old one.
Okay, the design should be same. You want the design same to same.
Or maybe a little bit of changes because I have a new now. So I have a restaurant now. I have opened a new bar, so we can add a new option for
Okay,
the bar also in the
uh,
website.
okay, but you like your old design to follow.
We can make something same because I'm telling you that people are used to our website. If you will make big changes, they will not how we recognize the old the restaurant.
Okay.
You understand what I mean to say?
Exactly. Okay. Okay,
If
Habib,
something
take note
says
that
the same,
yes,
yes,
we can make same to same, but you will get the new functionalities on your WooCommerce website.
yes.
Okay, so
So
basically we need to start. So we need to access of your domain or WordPress website or your cPanel, whatever you say. I think you have a hosting, right?
yes, we have hosting. Yes,
Okay, where the hosting you take from?
I don't know
Okay,
where
just
he has done from.
we need the access only, and we will not delete your old website and create the new one on your. We will create another subdomain so that the old website will not affect it. Okay.
Okay, so we will stay with the old for the moment. You will create a new one
Exactly.
before deleting the old one.
Exactly.
Okay, so we can. So
After
yes,
finalization, everything, whatever the time needed, after finalizing everything, when you tell us it's done finally, then we will just clone to your old domain
mm-hmm.
a new site within few minutes.
So how much time and how much money we are talking about?
Okay, basically for 30 product uploading and all the e-commerce feature newly made, we will take only 3 to 7 days. If you
Mm-hmm.
have urgency, then we can include more people to complete it 2 or 3 days. The
Mm-hmm.
time actually deadline and time will be up to you. Your it's about your urgency actually. We can
Mm-hmm.
afford more people for your urgency.
No, if you can right now make few changes to the old one, we can wait some little time, no problem. If things are working for the moment on the old website, we can do for 4 5 days 6 days, no problem.
Okay, great. And the payment will be very low. I think for $120 to $150, we will okay to complete your site, and you will get after sale service. I mean, if you want.
So Habib, I will tell you one thing. No, you can charge me 200 or 250, no problem. You are talking about 150, yeah.
Okay.
So the money is not a problem, huh? But the problem, I need a service. Huh? I need your phone number, and we can do a monthly charges. So if we want some changes, we can call you. So I have a few restaurant friends here. Huh?
Okay,
So
great.
20 of the friends, 5 of them are my friends. So I promoted the guy here. Huh? So our 5 websites got down, huh? Because of him, because of that guy. So he's telling me that it got hacked. So the
Exactly.
point is to tell you,
Basically,
I will give you the more
we
clients.
actually didn't charge a lot. Basically, we want a good client, and long-term client relationship is really important for us. We are actually working at marketplace for 12 hours on Upwork and Fiverr, and there are lots of client of us. Basically, it's actually on. You are giving your whole access to us, right? So this is the actually important fact is trust. So we will maintain this. Don't worry about your old hacker. We will work accordingly with a good relationship.
Yes. So 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 how we can say I can have somebody on WhatsApp, so we can make some how we say
Sure, Habib, give your WhatsApp number.
some fees.
Habib, give your WhatsApp
I
number.
have sent you my number. Huh?
I'm seeing my send my WhatsApp number.
Okay, on Zoom chat
I have
or
given you my number on.
okay.
My
You
people
already
are
have my
near to
phone
Poland.
number. Huh? Okay, you can call me back on my number if you want.
Okay, Habib will actually work on the field level. If any urgent meeting or urgent decision needed, then I will include. But the work will be done by Habib. Okay.
Okay, no problem. So right now, if he can make few changes on my old website from or today or tomorrow, it's urgent. So just
So
let me know his Google account number or something. How I can pay some
okay,
advance right now.
I have an issue on it. We actually are
Mhm.
working on Fiverr, and Habib's new Fiverr account just started. He actually working on Fiverr. If you can pay on Fiverr, that will be great. Habib, can you give your Fiverr gig link?
Yes.
Okay, I have to pay on Fiverr,
Exactly.
not on the Google or anything else.
We actually prefer on Fiverr because a great review will make lots of client for us.
Okay. So no problem. He can send me how can payment request on the or how it works on Fiverr. I can
Okay.
pay from there. Huh?
Already on Zoom chat, Habib shared his Fiverr account link.
Okay.
You can order him there.
So ask Habib if he can make some changes right
Okay,
from
tell me the
today or
changes.
tomorrow.
What changes you want actually on the old website right now? We will.
So now
Okay.
orders are not working. If you click on the orders, they are not working. Huh? So we cannot make an order right now.
So customer cannot order right now. Exactly.
Yes,
Okay.
yes from they cannot order. It's how we say
Oh, it's done by
it's not.
WordPress, right? It's done by WordPress.
It's done by WooCommerce. Yes, WordPress.
Okay.
Yes.
So just give me the WordPress access link.
Okay. Wait. I will send you. So I've sent to Habib. Huh?
Okay, sure, no problem.
So on Facebook.
Okay, sure. আচ্ছা হাবিবের ইনিশিয়ালি সেকেন্ডারি প্রাইসে কত দেওয়া হাবিব?
আমি ভাই একটু দেখে বলি।
হ্যাঁ দেখে বলো।
Did he get it?
হাবিব ওয়ার্ডপ্রেসের অ্যাক্সেস পাইছো?
ভাই খালি পাসওয়ার্ড শেয়ার করছে।
Okay, need the username also, brother. Need the username
Username.
and password.
Wait. So username I will
ভাই আমার তো
send
5
you.
25
Pass
5
So
25 70।
so it's extend. I will send you. I will send him.
Okay, sure. Habib, can you please check the link is working or not? The user ID and password.
Okay ভাই, let me check, but he shared with me the only password.
Okay, he's sharing the username also.
Extend as I've sent him. Huh?
Okay, I check it.
আর ওনাকে একটু তোমার ওয়ার্ডপ্রেসের WooCommerce এর গিগের লিংকটা একটু ফেসবুকে দিয়ে দাও।
ভাই লিংক তো দিছিলাম আমি।
ওখানে লিংক দিছো, গিগের লিংক দাও।
ওকে, দিতেছি। কিন্তু বাজেট অনেক কম তো।
70 দিয়ে শুরু করি, তারপর দেখা যায়।
ও তো বাজেট নিয়ে সমস্যা নাই।
একটা কাস্টমার অফার পাঠা দাও তাহলে ওকে।
কত? ওরে বলেন একটু ভাই। ওরে একটু বাজেট নিয়ে একটু নেগোসিয়েশন করেন ভাই, যতটা পারা যায়। কারণ আমার আবার একটু টাইম লাগবে তো। ভাই অ্যাক্সেস তো হচ্ছে, পাসওয়ার্ড ভুল দেখাচ্ছে।
Okay, the password is showing wrong. /wp admin এর access পাইছো হাবিব?
WP admin দিয়েই কাজ করতেছি ভাই, হচ্ছে না।
Okay,
So its password is wrong.
Yeah, the access is telling wrong.
But he gave me right now. It's PARF2020 #.
মিনাজ ভাই,
হ্যাঁ ভাইয়া,
আমি হচ্ছে এই যে পাসওয়ার্ডটা আপনার এই যে চ্যাটে দিলাম, একটু দেখেন তো। দিব?
হ্যাঁ দাও ইউজার আইডি আর পাসওয়ার্ডটা দাও
এই যে দিছি উনি আমার সাথে যেটা যেটা শেয়ার করছে ওটাই দিছি
ডোমেইনটা দাও
ডোমেইনটা ওকে
Okay, brother, we are taking the access, no issues. Habib is sending a custom offer of $150 on Fiverr. So can we start the order?
Okay, no problem. If we can, I have to pay with the visa. I never paid on Fiverr. Huh?
You can.
I will just see how it works. I will pay today. No problem with that.
Okay, no issues. Thank you.